If you are a student of NEET or JEE and you have doubts in NCRT question, you have to just click the photo of your question and upload on the app called DoubtNut. They will give you a video solution instantly, and the point is that the app is absolutely free. Do download it. The link is in the description. Grab this free opportunity. Their live classes are going on also for physics, chemistry, bio, and maths too. So if you have doubts in NEET or JEE, they will clear all your doubts in the live classes.
Good morning, guys. So I woke up and drank warm water straight in the morning and went for the walking at 7 a.m. with my friend. Enjoy the view of the morning from our campus. Then, after coming back at 8 am, I started studying pathology from the Gitika. It's a concise book in a question answer form, as our exams are from Monday, that is 1st of March, so we are in a full prep mode for the paper. Then at 9, I went to the college to study in the library because I cannot sit and study for a long in my hostel room. चीज आ गई Currently, I am studying Pharma from Shanbagh. It is also a concise book, but it is a short book of KDT, as it is not the right time to study KDT as exams are very near. So at this moment I study concise book so that I can complete my syllabus at less time. Then at 12, I got bored sitting in the same position and the same table in the library. So I switched to the terrace of the library or the college, and where I studied for at least 2 hours in sunlight. At this moment, I was also studying Shanbagh itself, that is pharmacology only. Then again I got bored in the terrace and it got too hot, so I went inside in the library and studied Shanbagh again, pharmacology itself. Because the pharma is a very tiring subject and it takes hours to remember, and if you study even for 15 times the whole Shanbagh, then also you will always forget the pharma. So I make sure I'm glue hydrated and have glucose in my body. Then me and my friend decided to study together as a discussing problem and all. Then we went outside and settled 2 chairs and studied together. I could not show him because he's camera shy, so he refused to come in front of the camera. We are doing questions from previous year question papers of a college. So we have concise things to study rather than studying everything. So we have previous year question and we make sure that we study previous year question rather than anything from the book. At 2, after hearing that my friend brought dosa and sambar, made me very hungry, so I straight away ran and ate his lunch.
पोटी करता हूँ बना रही हूँ अटेंडेंस आ रही हूँ अब
So this is basically the COVID waiting room. यहाँ से लाइन जाती है. Red is for the towards the vaccination center and green is towards the waiting room. Okay, let me show you the vaccination room.
Show you the vaccination room, and I'm not in a mood to get the vaccine because I don't want to enter any virus in my body, unneeded virus. I'll able to handle corona. I'm being honest, so don't judge me on that.
So this is the vaccination room, and basically today is Sunday, so it is closed. This is where people wait for the vaccination. COVID vaccination center waiting room is there, but where the vaccination occurs, it is this place. Sorry for the voice. And a ventilator is also there for the safety if any case mishappening happens. Then we started again studying from 3 o'clock, but this time we were studying pathology from Gitika, and he was teaching me few chapters that I feel doubt in, and so that I could become confident in the chapter that I don't remember too much. Then at 5 we became tired and my body was urging for coffee, so we went to the canteen and to have a coffee and some snacks, of course.
I'm back to the hostel now, and it's 6:30 right now, and I'm really tired, and probably I'm gonna take bath and then rest. So let's see, and थोड़ी सी झाड़ू भी लगानी है रूम में, बिकॉज ड्यू टू कोविड आंटी लोगों को आप बुला नहीं सकते, सो हमें ही साफ सफाई खुद करनी पड़ती है. तो अभी झाड़ू लगाएंगे, नहाने जाएंगे एंड देन रेस्ट करेंगे. देन वी अभी आई एम हैविंग रेस्ट एंड वाचिंग यूट्यूब राइट नाउ करंटली, एंड अभी दिख क्यों नहीं रहा, क्योंकि मैं फ़ोन पे ही यूट्यूब देख रही थी और फ़ोन से ही वीडियो बना रही, तो इसीलिए जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू एन अपडेट इन द व्लॉग. सो अभी इट्स करेंटली 7 and I'm watching you.
Then for the dinner, me and my friends went to a restaurant to eat dosa, uttapam and pav bhaji, and I eat pav bhaji because I'm a big fan of pav bhaji, and we had some chit chat. Then from the restaurant we came to the hostel while walking so that we get some mode of exercise also after the so much heavy dinner. Then at 10 I started studying again pharmacology, and you must be feeling ajeeb that she only studies pharma because वो ऐसा subject है आप कितनी बार पढ़ो कितनी बार बोलोगे. So I studied pharmacology till 10:30. Currently, I am studying in the common room of the girls' hostel.
Now I'm drinking hot water, and the white thing you're seeing is a cream for acne that I'm applying. Spot treatment, to be honest, because बहुत ज़्यादा acne हो रहा है हम लोग को आजकल, so treatment is important. And I'm drinking hot water because बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया बाहरपन, पूरे दिन बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया. I won't lie to that fact. So like थोड़ा settle down कर लेते हैं बस. And this is all for the day. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because whenever you do so, I feel motivated. Bye bye guys. See ya.